we figured we'd do a walkthrough of the house. Let you see what we've done so far. This obviously is the front. And
Garage. Yeah.
garage. And our walkway, which we put some solar lights, which we like.
Yeah, they're everywhere around the house now.
And as you can tell, we have a little bit of a hill here.
Well, they may not be able to see the hill.
Oh.
That'll show the angle of the ground there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a nice crisp winter morning.
Got your rocking chairs over here.
Mm-hmm.
Just like old people. Now we're officially old people.
We're not old. At least I'm not. Welcome to our home. This is our foyer, I guess it's called.
Mm-hmm.
And we put some things on the walls. We put this mirror.
Yeah, we got it on sale.
Yes.
A neat looking, gaudy ass looking alarm box on the side of the wall. Always a nice place to have it, right where you can see it when you're first walking.
And our light.
And our light.
And then,
Just saw the chandelier that used to hang there, sucked.
and this is our first bedroom, aka the
Model.
model room.
Yeah.
And I guess that's kind of self-explanatory.
Yeah, I think it's the first room we painted in the house.
Yeah.
And had a little child I put in Star Wars, border around the ceiling. I put that on there because I did a crappy job painting around the ceiling and the wall. So I thought, oh, there's a good way to fix it.
He does better than Lee lets on. Okay.
Maybe
and
now a little better.
And we have a closet here, which I won't bore you with how bad it looks.
Yeah, it's just books and stuff. Ah,
And this is our guest room. So when people come to visit, they have a place to stay. And obviously we had kids in mind too.
yeah. Yeah, Annie has a little bit of a collection out. Since I always seem to take over the damn house with my stuff. I thought she could at least take over this room. The family pictures up in here and big screen TV that's going up there as soon as we get the wall mount for it.
But
Bed.
the stuffed animals are waiting for company.
And a nice view out this window. It has the best view in the whole house, really, I think.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Outside, you have the mountains and everything right outside the door. Door? I think we're outside the window there.
Yeah, there's a door that drops down into the ground. And then,
Stuffed animals.
not that anybody's interested, but this is our first bathroom, which is bigger than,
It's probably almost as big as our bedroom.
yeah,
It's get even light in the shower, I kind of like that.
yeah.
We probably won't paint this too much. This will be the very last room we do.
But my mother's mirror, we redid that so I could put it in here.
Look at it, look at it. There, they don't see this much.
Okay, and then we're gonna walk into the main part of the house.
Oops.
Oh,
Go ahead. I'm fine. Oh, that's all right. That's still on. That's all right. I'll take it over.
okay. And
Okay.
another closet. This is our
Kitchen.
kitchen. And we love it because we can both be in it at the same time and not run over each other most of the time.
Yeah, the cabinets are kind of suck. Eventually, we're gonna redo the kitchen, get rid of those cabinets. They're particle board, and need I say more? They're particle board.
Call this our wave table.
And
Because it started because I bought this bowl at a thrift store. I call it the hurricane bowl because we went through Hurricane Irma.
oh yeah,
And then Randy got the idea to get this light, which I love.
there's a little bit of '80s motif to it, I guess.
Yeah.
I've been trying to come up with the right colors.
Yeah.
Since everything's warm, and we decided to go white because to me, white is a sheet of paper.
Yes, you can put any color you want with
Yeah,
it.
you start there.
And
Oh,
right now, excuse me, you can't go out the door, but this goes onto our deck that goes down and
and shows,
down to the acre that we have here.
which is really high up.
Yep.
Yeah, we don't want to fall for things. And we got our special weatherproofing door with our duct tape special.
Duct tape special.
Yeah.
And then we have some of his models here, which
Which
I love them being here, but he says, I don't like them in the living room. But I like him. He should show off his work.
Well, I put my favorite ones out here. Most of my favorite ones.
Yep.
Except the ones that won't fit.
And
Annie's
our
favorite.
room.
Yep.
We have our computer there.
Yeah, we got a nice. One thing we like about the computer being here, is also
The view.
the view out, looking out towards the hills and everything. I think the trees are the last thing to get leaves around here because everything else is green now.
Right.
Yeah.
And then of course, our TV and
Yeah.
out this door is a laundry room and a 2-car garage, which I
Yeah.
won't bore you with right now because it needs to be cleaned.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this is our bedroom, which is still a work in progress because it's the last room we're gonna do.
Yeah, you can see how nice and wonderful the carpeting is in here from the
Yeah.
animals. At least we washed it and cleaned it really good, so it doesn't stink anymore. But-
And another big bathroom, which behind this door is a whole nother closet for the bathroom.
Linens and stuff.
Yeah.
We hate those lights. This is another room to be. Yeah, this door keeps swinging open. I think the whole house is leaning. The walls are. Yeah, just stuff.
Well, it's a big closet.
Yeah. So.
And then, this is what I love, well, I love the whole house, but a walk-in closet that could house somebody if we,
Yeah. So it's as big as Trinity's bedroom
yeah,
and taller.
yeah,
Well, they live in a mobile home, so
Yeah.
it's hard not to have a small room in there.
yeah.
Okay. And I
And,
guess we'll go downstairs, right?
yeah. And now, la piece of resistance.
Yeah. We like the place. One of the things that really attracted it is it has tall ceilings.
Yes.
It's got 10-foot ceilings in here, which is nice.
And this is, oh, you turned the lights on, or did we leave them on all night?
No, I just turn them on.
This is going to our theater room, which Randy got the good idea to do the steps like a theater.
Yeah, somebody on Facebook gave me the idea. I don't remember his name, but it hides the carpet seam
Yeah.
because the way this house, the way they built this hallway was weird. to
So
say
we
the least.
have, oh, sorry.
That's it.
Different autographs from different stars. And we have movie posters. The different ones that we really like.
Yeah, we have probably this Die Hard picture, which Annie's sister got us, Virginia, because she knows that's one of my favorite all-time action films, and Thor being one of Annie's all-time favorite-looking guys,
Yeah.
which I can't say I blame her.
That one, and that's a
Why so serious?
And then Henry, the
Henry.
movie that Randy worked on.
Yeah,
And
and
then
Annie's famous door,
I love my door.
and the phone's ringing. I let it ring. It's probably nobody. And one of the oldest posters at a friend of mine, Rob gave me. You can't see because of the light, but it's out of the old Star Wars album, actually. So it came out in 1977.
And then this is our theater room,
Yeah, which you've seen before on video, but
which, like the Wizard of Oz, behind the curtain is magic.
and movies. That's why we hung the curtains up.
But
Because
these are
I-
all movies.
Yeah,
So, and it goes all the way around.
all the way around this damn thing.
And then our action figures and
Lightsabers.
lightsabers.
Yeah, all the action figures. And can't have a movie theater room without having a 2001 Space Odyssey poster, no matter how much people hate the movie. Here's an artist. I hope he comes to a fanboy or some convention because we only saw him at TampaCon. He does this wonderful art.
Yeah.
And then of course you get your typical Star
And it's
Wars.
inexpensive art too, that's what I like.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
original.
yeah. So we got all this stuff in here.
Yep.
And I guess we want to head out to the other room. Go out through the fantasy room, as we'll call it. Yeah. Yeah,
In here?
yeah. Go through the TARDIS door. I think Doctor Who probably would imagine something a little better than a brick wall when you first look out.
And this is Randy's workspace.
Which is a bit messy right now. Just had the drywall done here. And
His new
Next
his
project.
project.
yeah, the Hammerhead Corvette.
And where he keeps his molds.
Yeah.
This is, what is it?
Yeah.
This is where he makes the molds.
Yeah,
Which,
Star Destroyers galore.
for those that don't know, just because he works at home, he works hard all the time. I keep telling him take time off.
Yeah, I sit around my ass all day and watch TV. Takes 5 minutes to do all that. The rest of the day I sit around on my ass.
No, you don't. And then this is the other part of his workshop, which,
Yeah.
by his standards, it's very messy right now.
But it's clean. It's organized.
It's clean. It's a clean, organized.
Yeah, a friend of mine named Lou
Yes.
Zuderman told me about using cabinets instead of shelves because of the dust factor, and plus keeps the bugs out of them too. And Lord knows we all have bug problems.
And as you can see, he's working on the Star Destroyer for those who purchased it.
Yeah.
It's getting there.
Yeah, so I'm doing the wash. You know, just lay it on its edge. Just bought this vise. They had them on sale over at Harbor Freight. I know that's really interesting right now.
Yeah.
But sure love the thing. All right. And mini mill given to me by the late great Ron Thornton. I didn't know he had cancer. That's the reason why he gave it to me, I guess. And then one of the best things, I can't open this door right now, is opening this door and looking at this every day when you wake up. So as soon as I put sliding glass doors on that door, so the bugs can't come in, there'll be a nice morning view, or view every day. So, but anyways, we got Han over there on carbonite on the wall. That's where he belongs.
Which will be painted.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
not him, but
Yeah, well, yeah,
door,
we just like I
sorry.
said, we just got all this drywall done, so we're gonna go. But Annie has to get to work now. She's gonna be late. But at least on Facebook, she'll know why she's late because she did this video. So
I hope that's happy. They're happy with that. But, but this is our home, and we really are enjoying it. You know,
oh, we didn't show them the special room right here. This is Annie's special room. I made it especially for her writing. As you can see, we've held back on nothing to make it really luxuriant. You know, even
Yeah.
a little accents like the bag of packing peanuts in the air conditioner.
What am I writing? A horror story?
Well, I wanted to do something special for you, you know, and I thought this is a perfect place. Nice vaulted ceilings, you know, a nice bright light. It's not flickering like it should
Somebody's
be.
gonna take you serious.
Obviously, you can take me serious. Come on. Yeah, why so serious? But okay. What was that?
That was my hip hurting.
Your hip hurting?
Okay. Thanks for taking the tour with us.
Okay. She's got to go.
Okay.
Bye-bye, honey.
Bye.
Hey, it's Randy again. One of the things that Annie didn't get a chance to show you is her laundry room. No big deal, but I like it because I want her to have some nice washers and dryers for once. So we got her these Samsungs. What's nice about them is, you know, you could take a bath in there if we needed to. You know, it's pretty big. So glass top. It plays songs. I think it's the best way to put it. So. Yeah, just, I don't know why I'm showing this, but I just thought they were really nice. You know, sort of that dark metallic gray. And see this whole room. So, problem is the washer and dryers are so big that I don't think this place was designed for washers and dryers this big. So, anyways, there's that. Turn it off. And then her new stove. I think that's an LG. But anyways, it's pretty nice. It has those burners on. I know, of course, it has burners. It's got like 5 burners and a warm-up plate, which you can't really see on video. It's got all this touch screen stuff and everything like that, and it's got a blue, blue oven, and it's a convection oven as well as a regular oven, which is nice. We haven't figured out the convection part yet. And a new microwave because the other one had a crack in the door. Not good. So, but anyways, plus it looks better. The other stuff was pretty crappy looking. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Kind of stupid and not really gloating so much, but trying to make a nice home for her. She definitely deserves it, you know, because it's coming from an old ragged out trailer with nobody doing anything at all to help. She's doing it all. This is her reward finally, and hope to keep her happy and enjoying her life here. And I guess that's it. Bye-bye.